Hey everyone, Pickaxe now supports Zapier MCP, allowing you to integrate with a wide range of automation workflows and tools. Connecting is now easier than ever thanks to our new MCP configuration templates. To get started, head to mcp.zapier.com and sign in with your account. Click here to create a new MCP server, set MCP client to other, and give your server a name. Once your MCP server is set up, you'll be able to add the tools you want your Pickaxe to work with. In my case, I have a Google Slides template with placeholders for the title, presenter name, and topics. My Pickaxe will automatically fill in these values to generate the presentation. Then, the connected Notion page is updated with a script for the created slides. Once you finish adding your tools, open the Connect tab in Zapier and copy your server URL. Next, in the Pickaxe Builder, go to the Actions tab and click Add MCP Server. Select the Zapier MCP server configuration template, then paste in your server URL. Click Add and your Zapier MCP server will appear under your MCP servers. Click on it to connect it to your Pickaxe. From here, simply add instructions to your Pickaxe's role prompt on how to use the MCP server and its connected tools. In my example, the role prompt specifies which placeholders to use and outlines rules for the presentation. And that's it, your Zapier MCP is now connected and ready to use inside Pickaxe. Now let's quickly test this setup. Well, seems like everything worked as expected. Thank you for watching. We're excited to see what you create with this new feature.